Buenos dias!
Hey everyone!
Today is a special day. We're going to work out. I'm dragging Tamar in this one. So I found this one on YouTube, but it's 20 minutes workout for beginners and it's low impact. So you're not like jumping and everything else, you're doing stuff. And I did it last week. It's a 20-minute video for 10 minutes and I was sore for like 4 days. So I'm excited. Another 10 minutes today. Serious. Okay. A light tap. No snack. No snacky. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Feel that burn in your calf?
Yeah,
You're not kicking your butt.
Oh, I gotta do this.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right. This is where you watch how uncoordinated I am. Oh.
What?
I keep looking at you. You're gonna cut this one out. You're going fast. Where's your cut down?
3, 2, 1.
So take these nice and slow.
This is not helping my back, nor is it helping my knees.
Active rest.
And here's another showing my uncoordination. Good. Are you tightening your stomach when you do this?
Nope.
It's supposed to be.
Good. Active rest. We're gonna repeat those 2 exercises again.
How you feeling?
Do our squats. Again,
You know you're getting old when
this knee.
your knees are telling you something is up.
Try not to drop your chest. Keep it
Oh,
lifted.
I feel like she's talking to me.
Those heels.
Standing elbow. Oh, same thing.
Here we go. Think about crunching here. Think about your core.
Tighten that core.
Is that who?
Your core.
Oh.
Maybe I should work out on my own.
Keep pushing.
Just kidding.
Good. Active rest. We're moving on.
See?
To set number 2.
It's pretty good now.
Exercise is a rise.
We're just out of
You're gonna
shape.
reach toward the ceiling.
Still, something we can do at home.
Touch the floor.
More
This
back.
one. This one got me.
And down. And down. As you come up on those tippy toes, make sure your upper body is strong. You're stretching those legs and squeezing those inner thighs together.
Oh, I'm sweating. Fan. Makes my camel toe.
If you feel like you can no longer continue doing any of these exercises, I want you to just go right into your active rest exercise, which is the marching up and down.
You feeling it in your thighs?
Yeah. And my knees and my back.
Here we go. Arms are straight out from your shoulders. You have a slight bend in your elbows, palms are facing the floor.
Oh. I can do it.
March it up. Here we go.
It's the same
Up
thing.
and down.
I can barely move.
What's that?
My legs.
Think about your core.
I'm just gonna walk it out. Good job.
5 more seconds.
Opposite what you did.
Keep the
I can't
shoulder
go.
open.
If you noticed, well, you can't see. The lady is not doing a dance with this. She's just doing her.
So I'm doing 2 in 1. All right, so
Baby steps.
here you go. Just 10 minutes a day. Just a 10-minute workout to help you going, keep you in shape, get that blood pumping.
Next video, we probably won't do another video, torture you guys with this. But our next one, we're gonna go for 10 minutes or 11 minutes tomorrow. You're in the middle. Zero muscles. Don't put this one in there. 3, 2,
Gonna take a 15
One.
second rest. Our second exercise is gonna be just some regular crunches. So,
Good job, babe. It actually looks more professional back there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.